Hi everybody, it's IELTS with me online tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to write a Band 9 essay for your IELTS Writing Task 2 question. In this specific module, we'll focus on a sample question. I'm going to share with you an step-by-step analyze an example of a Band 9 model essay, as well as sharing with you tips, strategies, and techniques in order to write a Band 9 model essay, such as time and probability qualifiers, or how to write academic phrases, as well as sharing with you topic-specific vocabularies related to the topic of culture, art, and language. These are highly important vocabs. Okay, let's get started. Our question here is, several languages are in danger of extinctions because they are spoken by very small numbers of people. Some people say that governments should spend public money on saving these languages, while others believe that would be a waste of money. Discuss both these views and give your opinion. Several language, extinction, government should save money, should save the languages by spending money, and the other was say it's a waste of money. Okay, this is discussion, actually type. It's opinion type essay. We have two types, but you can take a look to our previous videos regarding discussion type essay and personal type essay. Okay, dear candidates, before studying your writing, your real writing, okay, especially in your real exam, you have to do how to plan your essay. And you need to write this outline, provide this outline under less than 5 minutes. So you can take a look to our previous videos regarding essay planning. Okay, now, it is true that some minority languages may disappear in the near future, although it can be argued that governments should save money by allowing this to happen. I believe that these languages should be protected and preserved. Please pay attention to the structures of paragraph. Okay, it's important. This is our introduction paragraph. It is true that, okay, these are academic phrases. It is true that, okay, for example, how you can use academic phrases. These are academic collocations, such as it is correct that one among a range of issues, or you can see in the essay as well. This is not to say regardless of, above all, by no means. Okay, you can take a look to our previous videos regarding how to write complex sentences, how to use academic phrases, and what techniques and strategies we can use to provide balanced essay. It is important. Okay. Minority languages, please pay attention to the usage of topic-specific collocations as well as topic-specific vocabs. In the near future, okay, I highlighted them actually in the short term, in the long term, have an extremely negative impact on, okay, these are time time and probability qualifiers that candidate used very well in his entire essay. Related, for example, ultimately, rapidly, potentially, long term, long run, immediately, or, for example, X may possibly happen, X gradually happen, X gonna spontaneously happen, okay? Please learn these techniques and use it in your real exam. Although it can be argued, please pay attention to the usage of passive voice in this essay should be protected, should be preserved, okay? These are important. Protected, preserved, topic specific vocabs. These are important, okay? But instead of saying, I believe that these languages should be preserved than this, it is better to say, it is logical that, it appears that, it seems that, usage of impersonal style instead of saying, I believe that, okay? Main body per one, okay? There are several reasons why saving minority languages could be seen as a waste of money. Firstly, if a language is only spoken by a small number of people, expensive education programs will be needed to make sure that more people learn it, and the state will have to pay for facilities, teachers, and marketing instead of saying government writing estate. Okay, it's synonym. This money might be better spent on other public services. Secondly, it would be much cheaper and more efficient for countries to have just one language. Governments could cut all kinds of costs related to, associated with, linked to communicating with each minority group. Great, okay, that's okay. Topic specific collocations could be seen, will be needed, might be spent. These are usage of past voice, a waste of money, expensive education programs, other public services, cut costs. These are highly common academic collocations related to the topic of culture and language, okay? It is important. Firstly, secondly, usage of, for example, linking devices in order to provide the sequence of your reasons. And this is also important. Education, please pay attention to the usage of complex sentence, okay? Not basic, short, with the usage of conditions, okay? If this happened, then this gonna happen, okay? It's important. Instead of saying a small number of people, we can say minority group of people, minority group of individuals. It's much more at an advanced level. And to make sure, to guarantee that this is gonna happen, okay? Please try to use advanced level vocab, much more affordable instead of cheaper, and avoid from writing basic vocabs, okay? And it's better to say, for example, on the one hand, there are several reasons why this is, okay? In the end here, we can say this is our main body part 2. We can say, despite of the above argument, we can say in the one hand here, on the one hand here, on the other hand here. It's gonna be much better. I believe that governments should try to preserve languages that are less widely spoken. A language is much more than simply a means of communication. It has a vital connection with the cultural identity of the people who speak it. If a language disappears, a whole way of life will disappear with it, and we will lose the rich cultural diversity that makes societies more interesting. By spending money to protect minority languages, government can also preserve traditions, customs, and behaviors that are part of a country's history. Okay, I said that on the other hand, that's okay. Please pay attention to the usage of topic-specific vocabs. Preserve means of communication, cultural diversity, minority language, preserve, okay? And less widely spoken, cultural identity, a vital connection with a whole way of life. These are what? These are collocations, academic collocations related to the topic of language and tradition. And I want to say, instead of just writing a basic onsus here, you can write here, furthermore, additionally, in addition to, okay, and then write your sentence. It's gonna look much more advanced level, okay? And more make societies fascinating, make societies complex, make societies unique, instead of just writing what basic vocabs, okay? Avoid format. And the last one, in conclusion, it may save money in the short term. It will, if we usage of conditionals, right, here and here. Okay, it's important. If we allow minority language to disappear, but in the long term, this would have an extremely negative impact on our cultural heritage. Please pay attention to the usage of time and probability qualifiers here. It's important. Usage of topic-specific vocabs. And instead of in conclusion, you can say all in all, to sum up, to recapitulate, it's May, okay? And this is the exact number of words that we need. It's required for our essay. This is actually the structures of a Band 9 model essay that I really love it. It's highly important. But you have to be familiar with the topic of culture, art, and tradition to preserve rituals, parades, to transmit social memes, public duty, self-sacrifice, cultural traditions, methodology, to evoke ceremonies, cultural norms, this heritage, it's important, legends, folklore, inheritance, heritage, handicrafts, linguistic skills, okay, and media. Please take a look to our previous videos regarding the topic of tradition and art, as well as analyzing the sample model essay for this topic. Okay, it is important. As I explained in our essay, in order to write in an advanced level topic and writing, you have to be familiar with the topic of culture, art, and tradition, as well as you need to know how to write academic phrases and use them in your essay. And the last one, you can use time and probability qualifiers, as well as use conditionals, right? Here and here, you need to use topic-specific vocabs and academic collocation. Okay? I hope that you enjoy this module and see you soon in another IELTS with me tutorial. Take care and bye.